G'day guys, Jack from MMT here. Today we're going to be treating Ninja's peroneals. This is a line I like to do just down the outside of the lower leg here. Pretty much tracing along from the head of the fibula up near the knee all the way down to the lateral malleolus. It's a really good line if you get tight through the side of the calves. Sometimes that pain or tension that runs down, even connected in from the ITB, that seems to extend all the way down to the ankle. So we're going to just do one nice long slow stroke through there. I'm going to give Ninja a little bit of a warm up just to get some wax on there. Make sure he's not just tugging his skin down to his ankles.
Yeah.
But we're just going to go through, get a little bit of a feel. And as I'm going through here, Ninja, feel free to, let me know if it amps up too much or anything like that. This is the warm up still, by the way.
Yeah, it's good connection, man.
Yeah.
What am we in for?
Yeah, 100%. It's good. It's a good one, man. It really does the trick.
Yeah.
And then I'll take my elbow down here and I'll just need, a little bit of extra communication from you just to make sure that I'm not going too hard because I don't want to hurt anything.
Yeah.
But I also want to make sure I'm really in connection with that fibula.
Yeah.
So we're really trying to release it's really like the lateral part of the anterior compartment of the lower leg.
Yeah, all that fascia.
Getting all that fascia, man. Getting really, really deep into it. Get all of your, like your toe flexors and ankle flexors in here.
Yeah.
Those muscles that realistically work pretty hard in our day-to-day life as we walk around and take a lot of the load bearing. Also, if you've got a bit of an anterior shift in your hips or anything like that, you'll find you get a little bit tighter here as well because it's going to be putting extra strain through your calves and through your peroneals. It's going to have to take a bit more of the load from your body to hold you up against gravity. You ready for the big one, man?
Yeah, man.
All right, so I'm going to start off by really kind of connecting in with this fibular head here. So if you need to find this on anyone, you can always just do kind of some gentle pushing into it, and you should get like a tiny little bit of movement. It's the planar joint between the fibula and the tibia.
Good anatomy, bro.
Oh, yeah, I've only done it like 4 times. Should probably know the names of my stuff by now.
Yeah, I've never even heard of that one.
Planar joint.
Planar joint. There you go.
Yep, just has a little bit of a shift in all directions.
Yeah. I'm gonna go in. Me planar joint's fucked, mate.
100%, man.
Can you fix it up?
Sure can.
All right, thanks, man. Whoa, planar.
There.
No, it's good, man. Awesome connection, and you just know.
Yeah.
It's sorting you out, don't you? It's just knowing.
Yeah, good, man.
Yeah.
As long as you know.
Yeah.
I know it's going to fix you, but you've got to feel it.
I'm the main person that needs to know. Whoever's getting treated.
That's it, man.
He's the boss, aren't they?
100%.
Yeah.
Feels like a little bit more jammed in around there, or there's a little bit more solidity in the muscles there. So we're going to really just kind of stick with that, keeping this outside edge of my elbow really plugged into Ninja's fibula there as we're following it down, using that as my guide.
Ooh,
so I can really,
it's good.
Peel that away. Yeah. We maybe catching even a little bit of that interosseous membrane, really stretching it out. There's real deep fascia.
Yeah, that's what it means?
Yeah.
Intraosseous? How do you spell that?
Interosseous. It's the fascia that connects. It's like the web that goes between bones. So you've got them in your arm as well. So between your radius and your ulna. Yeah. And then between here as well, there's probably a couple other places, but those are the main ones where you've got the 2 bones that work in synergy together.
Yeah, yeah. So you can kind of work that.
Like the middle layer of the muscle sandwich.
Yeah, it's deep. I like it. You can work it, can't you?
Absolutely, man.
Yeah.
You could even do some little like flexy motions with your toes and stuff. Try and get a little bit of active release through there. See if there's anywhere that really stands out.
It's really cool for your own awareness, you know, when you try and spread your toes, what kind of muscles are involved with up the chain to get it to happen, you know?
Yeah, it all comes from like all the way up here as well.
Yeah.
You know, you think you're just kind of doing it down in the foot, but really like so much of it comes from up here.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a fascinating area of the body to study. My anatomy colouring book is, Leo bought me a new one because I'd worn the other one out. It's nearly 25 years old. It's had so much, you know, reference to it. It's a really good book if anyone's learning your anatomy out there.
Oh, it's unreal, man.
Yeah.
It's like one of the best resources out there for sure.
Yeah. It seems like it's just for kids, but it's, big kids can learn a lot from it.
It's unbelievable, man. Like,
it's a good learning tool.
even if you're wanting to, you know, train different parts of your body and stuff, so because it shows you what everything does.
Yeah.
Where all of the different bits connect in, and those like, you know, those more inconspicuous muscles that are underneath the, you know, the big prominent ones.
Yeah.
You know, because there's so much working together all the time.
Yeah.
How's the connection going there, man?
It's good, man. You've done a really good job. Yeah.
Still connected in.
Yeah, that point of the elbow too. I can really feel like there's a good connection with that too.
Great.
And yeah, but that's a really good point about like how it shows you the layers, the colouring book.
Yeah.
Because a lot of times we just see the anatomy charts and stuff, and we think that's what it is. But there's like 5 layers of muscle everywhere throughout the body.
100%.
And where it attaches onto the, you know, the tendons attach onto bones and things like that. They can be right underneath a big belly of a muscle, you know. So you can kind of
often are.
Yeah, that might be where you're kind of working deep into that attachment rather than thinking there's a tear or a lesion or whatever it is in the belly of that muscle. It's quite often it's that really deeper one that's you know, the problematic thing. And
well, it's why the superficial stuff doesn't really do the trick, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You know, because you got to get all the way into those deeper layers to really affect the change you're looking for.
Yeah.
Really get the pain out.
Yeah. That's it.
Connect in with what's going on.
Yeah. We need to find it, don't we? And then work it in the right manner.
Yep.
Create the change.
Hunt it out.
Yeah.
Pin it down.
Yeah. So yeah, the exploration process, working together. Be a connoisseur is what I like to say. You know?
Absolutely, man.
You want 2 connoisseurs working together. You know, get the optimal result.
Ultimate flavour profile.
Yeah. Yeah. Get the recipe right.
That's it.
Got to taste it as you go. Type of thing, and get the ratios right. So that's the dance we're doing here, isn't it?
100%, man.
Yeah.
That's all going well still.
That's starting to,
get pretty gnarly down the bottom.
It's good. It's burning. Yeah, it can kind of, that's burning. It's like that's on fire. That's,
backing that off a little bit. Is that a bit more manageable?
It's all right, but it's on fire, bro. That's that's talking loud and clear. Sort of when you were doing your warm-up stroke, I was getting this sense if you went down over the ankle, it'd be beneficial. And I'm kind of, when you're doing it with the sharper tool, it's like, that's talking pretty loud, man. It's heat release. It feels like this liquid heat releasing, and different good stuff going on. But
100%, man. We got a lot going on down here. And there's no kind of less muscle belly for protection down here as well. Isn't it? This is all just tendons and ligaments and stuff. We're really into the white stringy bits now. So this is where I would take it really, really slow. You know, like probably even slower than up above, because this is where you're going to get possibly some of those little calcinated bits. Some of those little spurs developing. You're going to have all those little micro tears from, you know, the use from the ankle and that kind of stuff that don't get the blood supply, and therefore the regeneration that you do up in the fleshier bits. So you just want to really kind of peel your way through that. And just make sure you're paying attention to the feedback. Make sure we're, you know, not kind of pushing you over the edge.
So it's really backed off now.
Not burning the pot.
Yeah, that outside bit, you were up a bit higher, was just...
Yeah.
That was on.
It's just warm. Yeah, it really catches, doesn't it?
Yeah. So yeah, I can feel some old... I don't know how I know, but I know that there's some old gunk you're about to kind of go over just in here, you know, in that ankle. So it's like... Yeah, it just feels like and I'm welcoming that a little bit further, like another inch or something, I think, into that groove.
Yeah, all the way down into
you can kind of sense that it's going to be some stuff that's perhaps caught in there. It's, you know, up higher in the leg. Yeah, just there, man. Like, that's just beautiful. It's beautiful.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's a good, it's a really good line, this one. Like ankle pain, lower leg pain, like I was saying, even ITB stuff, like lateral thigh.
Yeah. But I wish you could feel what I'm feeling right now. This is beautiful.
Nice.
It's so...
It's the worst thing about the only real drawback to being a body worker, isn't it? You never really know what your massage, your own work feels like.
You never really know, can you?
No, it's just not the same.
Yeah, you do work on yourself. Well,
jumpy a little bit.
Yeah. It was
Feel free to move your toes if you feel you need to, man.
Yeah, that was... I don't know. I didn't do anything then. It just must have been
it's good,
unconscious kind of protection or something.
Which is fine. We welcome all of that as well.
Yeah.
I even get you just plantar flexing your ankle a little bit. Yeah, that way, that's the one. And then coming back up. And we're just going to roll down and through, tracing around the malleolus.
Yeah, no, it feels good, bro.
Feel some of those tendons. All the way down into this little hollow.
It's good, Brian. Yeah, we've definitely got more awareness of where it's at.
Yeah, nice. Give that a little bit of a move, man.
Whoa.
One clean, effective stroke all the way down, man.
Mate, when that integrates, that's going to be amazing. You know?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
If you're getting pain in the outside of your lower leg, pain in the ankle, pain running down from the ITB or from the lateral hip, come in, check us out. We'll fix you up. Done.
Get it done.